maybe on Restream. Then I wouldn't have to like restart it over here on Twitch. Yeah, okay. We're back up and running. You can see here, all I had to do is turn off and turn back on the stream. So yeah, they did not, Apple did not like me streaming the WWDC. So yeah, all right. Justin says, I do like the new look in OBS, using anything like a Stream Deck for switching streams. Indeed I am. I have a Stream Deck and I am able to hit buttons to switch between them. I even have a be right back scene now. So yeah, it's pretty solid. Why did chat totally disappear? I suppose because I restarted it. Why is chat? Oh yeah, that's where it's supposed to be. Okay, cool. Well, let's go back to what I was going to do, and that is some open source here. Sorry about that, folks. Okay. So yeah, the circle is kind of cool because it doesn't obscure the back as much, you know? And I can have a little wider, I can have actually full screen. This is, well, almost full screen. Like down here, there's a little bit missing because I put the React Native Live thing over it. Let's see here. I have a few things I need to double check here. All right. All right, we have WarpUp, which is, has anybody been using Warp at all? I recently got one of those. Yeah, Stream Deck. Oh man, I have the XL and I'm really glad I do because it's just like, I have lots of ideas for buttons. Rodrigo, Warp up and down arrows usage is the best. Yeah, I agree. CLI. And this is a very poorly named branch. I'll make this a little bigger. Still iTerm 2. Yeah. Okay, so there's a poorly named branch because what I'm doing with this branch is not fixing that bug. I started to fix that bug, but then I went to upgrading to React Native 68. So, okay, we have a bunch of conflicts. That's interesting. Let's fix those first. So, pull back. What? Git reset hard, git checkout, master, pull, and then we'll go back to that one. And then git merge master. And now we have some conflicts, so let's go take a look at that. We've got a conflict here. I started using Warp, but I just always end up using VS Code built-in terminal. And that's a totally valid way to go. Metro config will be that. Preset will be that. Patch package will be that. I think we're good on Mocha, maybe. TypeScript 4.6 instead of 4.3. And then we have Webpack for unfortunate reasons. All right, so what else do we have? So there's that one. Yarnlock, I can just regenerate that, and PodFile, I can just remove that. So let's remove iOS podfile.lock. What? Oh, it's in the boilerplate. iOS podfile lock, and then yarn I guess just yarn. Okay, cool. How's everybody's weekend? Not feeling that song. Okay. One thing I like to do when I have conflicts is do a search for 3 left. And actually Gradle now has this thing right here, which is a little weird, but if you don't see any of those, then generally you don't have any conflicts. So resolved conflicts, push that up. And then now I want to run yarn iOS here. So let's give that a shot. These arranged how I like them. I have not tried Android yet. All right, well now I know. I can't just dump WWDC, you know. Yeah. Hey, my first follow. That's a little in your face. I don't know how loud it is. Yeah, that is loud. That is loud. That is a little loud. All right, I'll turn that down a little bit. Developer not engineer, thanks for the follow and for testing my follow system. Okay, so this is what I was maybe running into here. And let me see here. Oh, shoot. I actually have to take this call. My apologies. I will be right back. I do have a BRB, but for now, I'm just going to dump the volume. Apologies, I'm back. Okay, so unable to resolve this empty module. This is what I was running into earlier, and I don't really know what's going on. Yeah, and long. I know this was it was. You know what I want, Frank? Actually, Frank, Trevor, whatever. You know what I want is I want custom sounds from our design team for that stuff. Sarfraz just joined in. What are you working on? So I am actually upgrading Ignite, which is our React Native boilerplate. to the latest version of React Native. I think is 68.3 out? It might be out, but I'm running into a problem here. And that is that it says unable to resolve the module, empty module, which by the way exists. Let's go take a look at that. So, cat, let's see here, node modules, Metro runtime, source modules, empty module.js. That exists, see? This actually does exist. So what is Metro complaining about? What is it complaining about here? This is a Metro problem. Let me see here. So, I'm gonna look at the files changed for a second and just look at what has changed for Metro. So we have Metro config 71, Metro React Native Babble preset, which is that part of that? That's Metro runtime is the thing. Patch package, of course. Is there anything else Metro related here? There's just these four. Nothing else Metro related here. I guess I could downgrade to 66. I just feel like that's probably a bad idea, but let's try it. Let's try it. So yarn add Metro config at 66.2, and then I think we probably also need to do this at 70 or 66.2 as well. Yarn add -d that at 66.2 as well. Oh, it doesn't like that. What was it? Yeah, 66.2. What? There is no 66.2? There's 69, 60. There's 66.2. I must have messed up when I pasted that in. What Metro config does React 68 use itself? Oh, Morpheus. You are smart. GitHub. All right. Let's go take a look. Let's go take a look. There's no Metro config. Metro runtime is at 71, which I think is what we had here. No, it doesn't show it here. But that was the bug though. That was the bug. It says Metro runtime right there. It's at 71. And the Babble transformer was at 71. All right. Do I need to run yarn start here? Reload. Yeah, still Metro runtime is still messed up here. So let's look at Metro runtime and then EmptyModuleJS. I have been doing a little bit of research already, but running ended up upgrading the packages to versions that were not compatible with each other, creating this error. Don't blindly run this. I'm not on this one. It's gonna say like which ones were compatible. No. That's too old. Empty module. Is this one of those? Yeah, they just like rip off Stack Overflow. Huh. By the way, I don't know if this is actually at 68. Whew. Okay. Let's go to 68 stable. Yeah, let's back that up and take a look here. So Metro 67. Okay, there you go. 67 runtime, 67 source map. And is that not what we're at right now? Metro config. Oh, we're at 66. Let's align all of these. So 67.0 for all three of those. And I think this one as well. And then we wanted to go, I guess, Metro source map as well. So let's try that. First off yarn, and then yarn add -d at 0.67.0. I think Morpheus, you're on the right track there. And then I'll probably just restart the this here, and then yarn start. And is there like can I go -c? I forget exactly. Oh, it's not. It's like -- something clear cache or whatever. Here's the classic Watchman error. Okay. Yeah. Wait, these didn't get updated. 7.0. I must not have saved it. All right, let's try this again. Yarn and then yarn start. Yeah. Give that a shot. Let's see here. Okay, let's try refreshing this here. Reload. Okay. Huh. I suppose I could just blow away the node modules and re-yarn here. Yeah. How do you clear cache again? Yeah, let's see here. Whoops. React Native, CLI, clear cache. What is it anyway? -- reset cache. All right. Does not like that. Do you have to do the -- first? Nope. Reset cache doesn't work. Okay. Clear cache doesn't work. Even without that, extra dash dash? Just single reset cache? That'd be weird. No, that's not it either. Oh, did I yarn already? That might be why. Yeah, React Native command not found. Well, that would be why. That would be why. All right, there we go. Let's try this again with a dash dash. Yeah, that worked. Okay, let's give this another shot here. Reload. Bundling. Probably should have cleared Watchman, but yeah, whatever. Yeah, same issue. Same issue. And if I go yarn y metro dash runtime, it should say, yeah, it's 67.0, so that's the same one. And yet this is not. Okay, so here's another thing we can try. Let me go to the metro. Oh. Does this have something to do with RNX kit? Okay, I'm gonna rename this to dash disabled. And we're gonna reload. Might have to restart the packager here. RNX kit might be an issue, yeah. Why do we need the Metro runtime package in the dependency? So I don't actually, so React Native depends on it. I don't actually specify that. Okay. Okay. RNX kit is being problematic here. All right. So let's rename this again. We're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere. Yeah, Danny, or maybe I need to downgrade RNX kit. This is all Adam's fault. Okay, so let's say I just simply return the default config, all right? And I just comment that out. So let's get out, restart, and then reload. What? Isn't this running? What? Does not like this. Oh, maybe I have to do like the make metro config thing and then pass in default config. That's probably it. Yeah, that's probably it. We are getting somewhere though. Really? Okay. Well, I'm going to run yarn iOS and relaunch the app, I guess. Because it looks like it's running. Packager. Yeah, it looks good. Has these Watchman warnings, which is unfortunate, but yeah, R on the, if I just hit R on the, it just says no apps connected. So, yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna turn down the music just a tad. It's loading and took a while. It says reloading app right now. It does say reloading. Maybe it doesn't like it when you do that. Make metro config. So let me see here. First off, what version of, actually, let me do this again. I'm gonna disable this again. All right, disabled, and then I'm going to reload here, I guess. Yeah, see, it doesn't like it at all. It's like it's. Okay, now I just had to restart the bundler, and then it found it. Okay, now if I bring this back, yeah, I don't think that's it, Danny. I mean, you might be right. You're probably right, but in this case, I'm feeling a little bit like. Okay, let's say that I just do this resolver. Default config, project root. Maybe the project root was the issue. Like you need to have the project root in there. And I'm going to turn off the Metro Symlinks resolver. And then I'm going to restart my cache here. I think that's probably it, the project root issue. Yeah, that's it. Because look, it found it now this time. All right. So Symlinks is gone. If I add the Symlinks back in, and restart it, yep, that's it. That's our problem right there. So what version of RNX kit are we running here? Package. Metro config. Okay, let's go take a look at yarn outdated and look for that. We're getting somewhere, folks. Okay, so this could be upgraded, and so could this. And that may solve the issue. Upgrade that and that to latest. And then what we'll do is we'll try just refreshing this. Okay. Okay, I'll try the yarn reset. See what happens. Okay. Does not like that. So, okay. So RNX kit. I feel like I need to file an issue, I guess. Wait. Watch folders. We don't have that. But it's under the project root, so What would be the issue here? What I'll do is resolve request. So pnpm support is not available if I disable this. You know what would be irony here is if I took out the node modules, brew install pnpm, and then installed pnpm, and it just worked. Because pnpm it needs symlinks, right? And pnpm install. Okay. And then I could do a pnpm start reset cache. What? Let's try that. Pod, repo, update. Pod install. Expo modules core. Maybe we need to upgrade that. Oh, apparently I went there before. Let's see. Expo modules auto linking is in there. Maybe that one needs to go. Okay, so So pod file, maybe we need to add something more here. We have scripts auto linking there. Jeez, this does not look great. Use Expo modules, believe is there? Yeah, we have that. Patch oh, I think I've seen this before. The very end. Post integrate. Okay, I'll just add that right there. Want to become famous by followers, primes, and viewers on blankety blank. Okay. Is there a way for me to just ban someone? Add to block list in restream chat, but does that doesn't do it in Twitch, right? Let me see. Let me see if I can do this. Stream chat's not showing anything for me. I guess I have to go to the video produce or creator dashboard or something like that. Community. Where's the chat? I don't know how to do this. Not with the new system. Okay, whatever. I'm not going to worry about it right now. There's some spam in the Twitter chat. Or Twitch chat, I should say. All right, so... I guess we could try this here. We need Derek. Says Danny. It's true. Invalid. Oh, we already have one. We already have a post. Ah, it's already there, right? The whole thing. Let me verify this. Is it all the same? It is. Okay. So that was already there. So... M1 post this. So that's not it. Specification for Expo module core. All right, so let's try this instead. Yarn, or wait, no. pnpm outdated. Do they have that? They do. Okay, so is there an Expo here? Not seeing Expo. Detox. Jest. Mocha. React DOM. 45. Expo linear gradient. Let's see what version of that is there. Latest version is 11.3.0, and I think, are we on that? We're on 11.0.3. I don't think this will change anything because of that, but let's just try pn install and see if anything changes here. Gotta love all the deprecated warnings that come up. Pod install repo update, but I ran pod install. Dan, is this project managed workflow? It is not, but you can. If you spin up a new app with --expo, you can do manage. Unable to find a specific. I mean, I'll run it. I'll try it, but I don't think that's the case. Not added the source repo that hosts pod spec to. So the problem that I'm Oh. The problem I'm running into here is that with pnpm, it doesn't like installing. Yeah. Okay, so let's say that I were to do this. I don't think this will work. Because the version that I have in the pod file is I'll try this. Pod install. Yeah, so that's not it. Let's try running this. Okay, we got that. And then we have to look at scripts auto linking. So cat this here, I think, /scripts auto linking.rb. Yeah, there it is. And then within this, join dir name, node print. So, okay, so let's say that I were to do the same thing in this file. Let's go code, and then we'll just grab all of this here. Okay, and let's say that I were to, in the pod file here, I have this pod folder equals, delete the lock first. You think so? I think I've already done that though. Let's try this. So I'm just doing the same thing that I did there. So now pod install. Okay, so that didn't work. Okay, let's try that. Let's try pod file.lock pod install. I don't think that's the issue here. Yeah, see. Freaking pnpm. Let's see here. The Expo modules package should be there. I think it's called Expo modules core, right? 0.9.2 and Expo depends on it. Let's go to this 092, which is correct. Let's just try with just Expo. 4505. And we are 4504. I guess I could update that. But and I'm curious why Yarn doesn't have this issue. You know, when I ran it with Yarn. Oh, I guess it's because of the whole symlink thing. Yeah, that's probably why. So pod file. Let's say that I add Expo modules core, right? So pnpm install expo, is it It's a runtime, right? Like a regular dependency. It is, yeah. Oh, so Expo modules core. So we're adding it as a peer dependency that should be installed. Really? Save dev. Let's just do that. Oh, they don't. It's not dev. It's just dash dash dev, I think. At 15. All right, let's go above 15. What is it? I'll just do pnpm. Okay. So just making sure everything's good. And then it should install pods here. npx install expo modules at latest. Wait, what? Oh yeah, by the way, that worked. So if I go pod install. By the way, I think I removed that because someone said, hey, why do you have Expo modules core? That's just in the Expo thing. It's because of this. Okay, yeah, it looks like it worked. Okay, so pnpm start. And then let's go watch it do the same thing after all that. Okay, loading. Yep, same issue. So, yep, empty module. And if I go into my Metro config and disable this and restart this, reset cache. Unable to resolve module interop required default. So this is a different issue. So the first file that React Native will run. Wait. I think it's because I was in the wrong folder. Let's try that. I probably need to. React Native doesn't look for pods recursively. It's really annoying. What is going on here? pnpm not working. All right, let's do some Googling. Babble, let's see here. Babble runtime helpers interop. So we have to add Babble runtime, and there should be. Why does everybody say the same thing? By the way, these are all wrong because shouldn't it be a dev dependency? They're all saying the same stuff. Just, okay. Okay, let's try pnpm install -d Babble runtime, which I thought already existed in the project, but already up to date it says. Wrong answers only, yeah. This thing is being really slow for some reason. Yeah, these are all bad. Question's good. Oh, I can't. Yeah, whatever. What else we got? Metro, React Native issue. All right, let's try this. So. Once I tried to answer a question about React Native Storybook and a moderator deleted it because they thought it was off topic or something. Says Danny. Moderators on Stack Overflow are something else. Yeah, this is like an old thing. I mean, we can try this. I know we've been having some Watchman issues, I guess. Let's try this again. Be crazy if that worked. No. Okay, so it's not that. I mean, I can go down the rest of the things he said didn't work. I mean, is this a thing? Can I just do this? There's no temp. So, yeah. I'll be honest, like, I don't really want to support pnpm if it's going to be problematic like this. Link to Watchman. Uninstall Watchman. There is no temp metro though, right? Yeah. Watch folders dir name. Is that like here? Whoops. I like how this is completely borked. Nope. Wait, why would it go down? I don't get that. Shouldn't it be just dir name? Like, why would it be ... /.. Oh, mono repo. Screw your mono repo. Okay. Let me put it this way. Let me try this again here. Watchman. Yeah, we know. Stop. Control C. Okay. pnpm, start, reset cache. I feel like these answers are all wrong. I agree. Watch folders will include your directory already. So what's the problem here? Yeah, let's reload. Yeah, it just had the same issue then. it's not gonna, I mean, it'd be a good idea to have this, you know, in case you do need a monorepo. Oh, I know why. It's because of this. We don't have the Metro Symlinks resolver, so it's not gonna be able to do it. The Symlinks resolver is required for pnpm. Now we should get the empty module issue, right? But it's not a bad idea to add this for monorepos. Empty module, okay. pnpm's having the same issue. All of that to say that. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove the pnpm lock and node modules. And then what I'm gonna do is yarn. And I'm gonna brew uninstall pnpm. Ah, lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. What? What did I do? Oh, I did it twice somehow? Okay, all right, whatever. Yarn. Okay, let's give that a shot. Symlinks thing works on a fresh project. That's a good point. Let's do that. Okay, so npx React Native init Symlinks thing. And it could just be a bug on our next kit. Yeah, quite possibly. Okay, so we got that. Let's go and jump into their Symlinks thing, which is always well named there. And now I'm gonna grab this and let's try this. So we need the Metro config, which is right here. And then I just need to grab essentially just this whole thing here, and then we just grab this. So yarn, whoops, yarn add -d this and that, I guess. And Metro config itself, maybe. And just give that a shot. And then I'm gonna kill that. And yarn, well, let's do like a split thing here. So start, reset cache. I don't know if that's even necessary here. And then yarn iOS. All right. let's try this. Okay, there we go. Okay. Let's see. So building now. I am curious, Danny. It might be an RNX kit bug. Because I feel like we're really close. Like, everything else feels like we're really close. I mean, maybe I should be running Android and, you know, making sure that that's all dialed in, but I'd really like to get this solved. If I need to disable symlinks, okay. We'll have to also disable pnpm for now. If people like pnpm, it'll just automatically default to yarn and it's kind of up to them to fix it. That's a possibility, I guess. I just hate to go back on something that already worked, you know? So this is with yarn. Okay, so with yarn it worked. Yeah, I'll allow notifications from Warp. All right, so that worked. So let's remove yarn.lock and node modules. And I need to kill this here. And then brew install pnpm. Brew's getting a workout here. All right. So now we've got pnpm install. And let's see, they want TypeScript. What? Okay. Install -d TypeScript. What else did it want? Babble preset env. That, okay. So now pnpm. So now we've installed pnpm. So now can we do pnpm start and loading from Metro. And I think this is with the Metro symlinks result. Yeah, it's working. And this is with 68 too. So I guess now we just update, or we just add stuff in until it breaks. So what was the thing that broke there? I'm looking at the wrong VS Code. Am I? This is okay. I mean, it's running, right? And this metro config I just copied and pasted in. We're on the right one. Pretty sure. Let's say I just comment this out, for example. This should break it. If I restart the... I was? Okay, thanks. Yeah. Okay, let's refresh. Yeah, there you go. So now if I re-enable this and okay, there we go. So now I just need to add things that are missing between the two, I guess. What was the thing that was the problem? So there's like Expo, obviously. How do I install Expo? What was that again? Dan? RIP pnpm. I didn't see your thing. Stepanov, Expo modules latest. So can I just do npx install Expo? Modules. That'd be cool. If I could just add that, you know. Yeah. Yes, I do want to do that. So there's an issue with pods. Auto linking manager. So this is where I had to make a change to the pod file, which is right here. And this is where I'll just grab the top part of the pod file for this one. Like so. And we'll try that again. Should work. And this is where it's saying you can't find the auto linking manager. It's probably because I have to install that. pnpm install -d expo. What is expo auto linking is something. What is it anyway? This one. Yeah, okay. So I'm not sure here. I feel like pnpm, if I'm having issues over here, pnpm is out. I'm just done with it. So if someone wants to re-add pnpm support, they can feel free to, but I'm kind of done with it. Uninstall pnpm, rip, F's in chat. Quality of life feature. I agree, Danny. I just feel like nobody uses pnpm with React Native. And if I'm wrong about that, so be it, but all right. So pnpm help, no pnpm, cool, yarn. Yarn, and then I guess yarn start here. Reset cache. Morpheus. Okay. And then I need to, I'll just yarn iOS again here, just to make sure. Expo module's core has been ignored because it contains invalid configuration. Dependency platforms iOS must be of type object. Wonder if there's a reason for that. Like, is that in the app, JSON? Dependency platforms. Yeah, I'm not going to worry about that right now. Okay, empty module is the problem here. So if I remove this resolver here, I'm gonna, yeah, let's try this again. Yarn, whoops. And when this runs, I'm just gonna go ahead and, let's see. I'm gonna put in some, like a long comment here. It results in a, okay, see, now it's working. So error as of, for now, specifically, let's put that error back up so I can just copy that whole thing. I guess it would have been further up the scroll there, but yeah, let's try it again. Okay, let's grab this. It's an empty module. And then I will actually, I'm going to do any empty module. This could be a bug in our next Kit Metro Resolver Symlinks issue over there, and I'll actually create one. Because it results in an error for now. Okay, and then let's see. Module not found. Symlinks. I think this is something different. Or is it empty? Okay. So I'll create a new, and this is 1567, so it could be related to 650. So EmptyModule.js. Unable to resolve module is actually the real error. So I'll just do this here. When updating, let's go here. So Ignite to the latest React Native. Enabling symlinks via, and then what is that module? Metro symlinks resolver results in a Danny says symlinks resolver isn't just for pnpm. Could be useful when you want to link local packages in development. Correct, Danny. So we're breaking everything. Rockin' Brain says, Danilo from Brazil again. Happy to see you in Gantt at Reactathon. Yeah, nice to see you as well. Following your work for a long time now, always listening to the React Native podcast. You guys are definitely inspired me to be a better React Native developer. Thanks a lot. That's really nice of you to say. I just got a promotion at my job. Nice. And now after a year of hard work, reading and studying, I'm a medium level React and React Native dev. Can't hold my happiness, and you guys have been a huge part of my grinding. Thanks a lot. Please keep up with the hard work. Dude, Danilo, that is amazing. That is awesome. I'm so happy to hear that. I love hearing these types of like success stories, and you know, I mean, we all want to be better React Native developers, and the community that hangs out with me, you know, even when I'm just working on boring stuff like this, right? I mean, there's still people here hanging out with me. It inspires me and kind of motivates me to keep getting better as well. So really, really excited to have you with your success, and congrats on the promotion. That's super cool. That's awesome. It just makes me super happy. Makes my day, man. Thanks for putting the message in there too. That's really nice. Let's go with Metro Symlinks Resolver to support mono repos and pnpm. Disabling it is not ideal. Morpheus says, I just like having this in the background, you know, motivates myself to also code even more, and in the meantime, learning something new. Keep it up. Thank you, Morpheus. I appreciate that. That's really nice of you to say. I got to do this anyway, right? I got to do this work anyway, so why not do it on stream with cool people? And then I get help from Danny and the rest of you. When updating Ignite to the latest React Native, enabling symlinks results in an error. To reproduce, npx ignite CLI. Actually, this isn't going to work. Git clone. All right, let's see here. Good bug report will help. Ignite. Boilerplate. Yarn. iOS. Oh, git checkout, and this branch name is ridiculous. Hey, how come I can't? Can I seriously not copy that? Warp? Seriously? That's annoying. Actually, I wonder if I should change the no, it's fine. It's fine. Ignore the misleading branch name. It's correct. Yarn and Yarn iOS. And then we see this. Width, I'm just going to go 200 here. Error shown in iOS simulator. So the package is this one here. What version are we using? Package boilerplate. It is 1.20. I haven't tried on Android. Is that right? It is. Okay. Okay. I don't know if I have to put that over there. Oh, steps to reproduce actually needs to go up here. And all right, let's submit that. 1605. Oh, and there was another issue here. What was the other issue? Wasn't there another one? Oh yeah, 1567. Could be related. Okay. And I'm gonna send this to Adam, because, you know, I'm just gonna fire that over to him. All right, cool. All right, so if we disable it, like we did, oh, and I need to drop in that one. 1605, I think, is right. Yeah, that's mine. Okay, cool. So for now, we're going to comment these out. I guess. Or maybe just leave that there. Yeah. Okay. We did update some other stuff. Disables symlink support. So we're going to push that up. And I guess, I don't know. I mean, like, let's see here. I think I might need to reset the cache and then try reloading this. And I guess with the last like 20 minutes here, we could try Android. Assuming this all works. Yeah, it seems to be working. Okay, let's try Android. Android. And I'm going to take a little quick break while this is cooking. So I'll be right back. Wait, why is this sitting here? Generating 15%. I'm the only one who's ever run into this. Doctor? Okay, the Watchman thing might actually be an issue. Now, Android SDK is not found. What's going on with that? Let's open up Android Studio, I guess. I actually was running into this problem with a different project. Let's see. Close. Okay, so let's see. What did I miss? You know what? Let's just go to the React Native docs here, and I think they've updated them so that environment setup. Here we go. No, setting up development. Okay, so CLI on Mac for Android. Okay. Brew install Node, brew install Watchman. Okay, we got it. JDK, Zulu. By the way, that's not a bad way to do it. But our JDK should be good. So that should not be an issue. Android SDK. Let's go to this and go into our settings. SDK is here, and we have SDK. Okay, show package details. All right, that's already there. Android SDK platform 30. Why do I have 32? SDK platform 32. Okay, SDK 32 is there. Do I turn off this one? Maybe I turn off 32. Oh, you know what? I don't have these, I don't think. So, echo. Okay, no, that's there. What else do I have? Don't really want to run echo path here. Let me do it here. Okay, SDK. Should be emulator. Yep, that's there. And platform tools is also there. So like if I, well, let's see. Why is it not finding the Android SDK? Like, I feel like I've done everything they want me to. It's old. Oh, do we have an Android home? Yeah, it's right there. So this is just like hanging. Okay, so maybe what I need to do is remove those and just keep the 30 and all the other stuff that was there. I'm going to hit apply here. Oh, 4.5 gigs of space will be freed up. That's nice. Okay, finish. And okay, and then let's try opening. Let's go to Ignite, boilerplate, Android. Yeah. Kind of like how it asks if you want this window or not. Okay, it's loading up. I'm gonna have to call it. I'm gonna have to call it if this doesn't work, which is looking likely. At least I got that that issue filed. Still failed tests. So I'm gonna have to figure out what's going on with that. How do I fix this? Gradle. Okay, let's try this. I wonder if I can just do that. Yeah, okay. Stopping demons. Yeah, I did that. Restarting the machine. Huh. Yeah, this is not working. Maybe? Let's try it this way. So, what was it? Kill-9. Kill-9. This. Kill-9. This. Okay, then now it's acting like, okay, everything's cool. All right, so can I restart this? I mean, I can certainly just reopen Android Studio, right? Okay, so now a problem occurred evaluating that. Missing property. Could not get unload property Kotlin version. So that's something I can look for. All right, let's take a look for Kotlin version. Ah. I feel like this probably needs to be outside of that. Maybe? So let's try this again. I don't know what you do to like make that re-trigger. Okay, so let's take a look and see what's happening here. Maybe that would be... You can just hit build. There's run. Yeah, maybe. It says problems here. Tools. Okay, it doesn't like this. Where did that come from anyway? Oh, you know what? Let's see. Symlinks thing. I can just open this because then I can look at the Android folder. And let's see, where was it? Anyway, it was under build Gradle. Yeah, this is something that came with it. Like, that's not ours. It's not our thing. Yeah. It feels like it's going further. Maybe this should be above, actually. Like up there, because then it's with all the other stuff. We're setting the NDK version there. Just save that. But yeah, it feels like it's getting a lot further, which is great. Nice. Yeah. Okay, so this upgrade has been rough. Sheesh. Okay, so it feels like that kind of worked. So I want to run it yarn Android. Let's just try to run yarn. No. Yes, yarn Android. Let's try it. Okay, now it's not stuck on 0%. See that? Much better. Much better. Totally huvud. And we got something's broken, but but we got further, so that's good. Let's see. Duplicate class. These look like real errors. Yeah, these look like real errors that I can go after later. So package list, it looks like that maybe got moved somewhere or is something else. Okay. I can deal with this. Android hanging during build issue. Push it up. Okay. All right, folks. Thanks for hanging out with me on this. I definitely feel like we made a little bit of progress. Could be better, but we made some progress. And that's good. Gonna leave it for now, and we'll come back to it later. The nice thing is once this is good, then we can look at like Nicholas's, Ignite diff tool, and then it'll be easy to just upgrade. People can just kind of go by that upgrade, and they'll have a much more, I think, complete example of what to do to upgrade. So, all right. Thanks everybody. I think let me verify. I believe. Let me just go take a check. So on Friday, I have Josh Justice coming on, and we're going to be looking at some testing. We're gonna do some testing stuff. So feel free to drop by. It's gonna be cool because like we're actually gonna. So Josh is we've had him on the podcast a couple times, and he taught a testing workshop at Chain React. So that's gonna be kind of fun. It's gonna be a good one. So definitely hang out with us then. That's starting, should be 10 a.m. Pacific time on Friday. So good to have you all here. Sorry about making some of you miss the WWDC announcement. And I guess that's it. Have a good rest of your week.